Now we've examined some basic built-in types, we'll look at two important control flow structures which depend on conversions to the bool type. While loops, but first, if statements. Conditional statements allow us to branch execution based on the value of an expression. The form of the statement is the if keyword, followed by an expression, terminated by a colon to introduce a new block. The expression is converted to bool, as if by the bool constructor. Let's try this at the REPL. Remembering to indent 4 spaces within the block, we add some code to be executed if the condition is true. Followed by a blank line to terminate the block, at which point the block will execute, because self-evidently the condition is true. Conversely, if the condition is false, the code in the block does not execute. Because the expression used with the if statement will be converted to bool, just as if the bool constructor had been used, this form is exactly equivalent to this form. Thanks to this useful shorthand, explicit conversion to bool using the bool constructor is rarely used in Python. The if statement supports an optional else clause, which goes in a block introduced by the else keyword, followed by a colon, which is indented to the same level as the if keyword. To start the else block in this case, we just omit the indentation after the 3 dots. For multiple conditions, you might be tempted to do something like this, nesting if statements. Whenever you find yourself with an else block containing a nested if statement like this, you should consider instead using Python's elif keyword, which is a combined else if. As the Zen of Python reminds us, flat is better than nested. This version is altogether easier to read. We'll quickly demonstrate it at the REPL.